series, What Do You Say? Where I sing about something someone says and ask you, what do you say? I was feeling down today after a conversation that really broke my vibes. And though I know better than to let anyone cause me frustration, I had to grab my mirror, look deep in my eyes and say, continue. Ooh. Don't turn around, everything that you need is in you. Ooh. Continue. I said continue.
Alaine.
Listen, I'm happy that I'm doing this segment.
Okay.
But at the same time, I'm stressed out. You'll figure it out later on. Now, joining us today is reggae star and media personality, Alaine.
Bye.
To share with us what she's been up to and talk about her latest single, Gold. Yay! Daytime Live welcomes Alaine. Nisha welcomes Alaine. Duffy is just here as a part of the show.
As you should be.
Yeah.
What one? Oh no, we love you.
Yes.
Listen, I'm not excited. I'm happy that you're here too, but
the good thing about it is, Alaine, we're having a little interview right now.
Yes.
But you have to sing for it, but you're not going to sing for it now. But later on in the show, Alaine will be performing her inspiring song, Gold. All right? So,
yes, even though I'm decked out in silk.
So she's not sing no, but she's going to sing in a minute.
Alaine, you're a household name. Like, if you live in Jamaica or you're Jamaican and you don't know Alaine, that means it's like you don't know Bob Marley, you don't know national anthem.
I received that.
But tell us where it began.
Oh, wow.
When did Alaine decide to step into this space?
Well, I grew up performing. I grew up on TV at what was JBC back in the day before Unobar.
No, do that.
What you say? You're young, just man, Green Mango. And I don't know why I said Green Mango. That's so strange.
It happens.
It's unusual.
It works.
But you know what I mean?
Yes, I do.
So I grew up hosting a children's show called Vibrations.
Yes.
Other young kids at the time.
Vibrations.
And grew up singing and performing with Dr. Olive Lewin, God rest her soul, in the Jamaica folk singers. So I grew up loving our culture and knowing songs like Feel Me Love Have Lion Heart and really come now man, because Jamaica nice Lion Heart, and our culture is so wonderful and so rich. And I grew up with a mother who always encouraged me to be loud, to be myself, and I was always somebody who, when I stepped into the room, I announced myself, and I was always encouraged to do that. Sang Victoria Mutual 5% mortgage revolution.
Yes.
As a little girl, come join the 5% mortgage revolution. Which, no matter how many hit songs I sing, that's going to be my biggest hit song.
Do you perform it? Have you ever done it on stage? Has anyone ever asked you to perform it?
No, only Victoria Mutual a couple years ago asked me to say, hey, I'm big now.
The next day I perform on my show, I'm going to make you perform.
I love that because I did perform on Duffy's show, but then I went to UWI after, all of being the child performer, I was on stage acting, singing, dancing, a lot less than you, Nisha. A lot less than you.
Baby.
And then I went to UWI, got my degree, my honors degree, moved to New York.
So she got an honors degree?
Girl. 15 in the cup. Yeah, well, honorable. Yeah, that's that. Went to New York, got a job in investment banking, studied and learned, and moved up in the ranks to assistant vice president.
I didn't know that about
you. And hated every day of it. Thank God for it. But at least it strengthened the fact that I didn't want to do that. And it's very important that you know what you don't
want to do,
to
figure what you want to do.
Exactly, and so
Alaine,
came back home.
So grateful that you've given us a good insight onto how it started. But at 2026, Alaine, what go on for the 2026?
Oh my gosh, we're gold!
What go on for 2026? What you up to?
Look here,
are we gold?
The concept, the mindset, the mental framework from which I am working and which I hope all of us as Jamaicans are working is that we are gold,
Yeah.
Hurricane Melissa came and devastated us.
Facts.
And what was happening was just a string of bad news, a string of unfortunate events. And it felt like it can't get any worse than this.
Right.
And then the bobsled team from nowhere won gold.
Yeah.
And I thought, this is what we need, this injection of hope. And so I wrote this song, Gold, about that fact that yes, storms come, yes, unfortunate events come, but there is hope, and the hope comes from unexpected places.
Yeah.
Sometimes it just comes from us walking into rooms where they didn't expect us to walk, or walking into snow where they did not expect us to walk.
Florida.
And we bob and we sled and we win.
Be snowing.
Because that's what Jamaicans do, we win.
Amen. Amen.
You know, Instagram this year, you declared that this year you're trying new things.
New things, ownership.
And you're trying new things
Ownership.
for the Instagram.
Like what?
Yeah,
Like
girl.
what? Like what?
Yeah, girl.
What are some of the new things? Tell
Some
me
of
one
the
new
things
thing.
that I am, well,
Yes.
I've become very active on social media.
Yes.
Before I was, you know, I'd post from time to time and all that, but you know, I see it as, I know that the purpose of my voice is to inspire. I know the purpose of my voice is to lighten a load.
Right.
You know, because I use my voice to lighten my loads. Like whenever I write songs like, I wave my troubles, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. It's because I'm stressed out.
Yeah.
You understand? But I write from a place of okay, what do I need now? And then I extend that to others through my art. And so I use social media for
Alaine,
that as well. Yes,
Alaine,
Goody.
On social media, there's somebody that every time I feel like you're trying to bring goodness, there's always this like a bad
they have the
mind
mix.
person
Yeah, that
that
vibes
always
build
shows
up.
up on social
Oh,
media.
yeah! I don't like Alaine. She don't
She
look
don't-
good and
she's
she
always
can't
stressing
sing.
out.
And she don't want to put me onto her social needs, but me I go on there this year. Yes, I reintroduced Hilda
Yes,
this week. Yes, she's back.
When we're going to have a sing-off, because she said that she can sing better
she
than
can.
you.
But you know
and we
she
know
can.
you can sing, so we don't know who's...
It's gonna happen this year, and she's probably gonna challenge you to a dance off.
Well, tell Hilda I said.
You ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
I am ready for her.
I'm gonna
But
tell
she's not
her.
taking me on.
She's gonna lose,
Listen,
but she's gonna
Love
try.
done.
Watch her.
Why, Hilda?
She's back.
Listen.
back.
Listen, Alaine, we ate up all the time, sang out all the time, but you're going to stay here with us because we're
Yes.
coming back a little bit later on. Alaine is going to be here. She's going to be performing for us. Well, I'll tell you in the break why it is that I'm just here talking, and it's just we're going for a break.
love
You're doing
you,
well.
Alaine.
I love
I
you.
love
Look
you.
here.
We're going for a break. We're
When
coming
my
break.
girl called me, I said Alaine.
Let's hook
She
up.
tell you?
Yes,
No matter.
she told
Let's
me.
hook up.
Let's hook up.